Hey y'all, this is Kate with Scout Chef Kitchen. We're here today to make some trail mix for you. So I'm gonna start with a classic trail mix first. It's so simple. Come here, I'll show you. So it's super simple. All the ingredients are laid out. I didn't feel like you needed to see me try to measure out every single ingredient on camera because that would be tedious, but I will tell you how much goes in each, and you can also check this out on my blog. There's a blog that's gonna be out on scoutshop.org that covers multiple kinds of trail mixes. So let's start. First, I really love Chex Mix. Big fan, and they make it in gluten-free options, which I love as well. So starting with 2 cups of one Chex Mix, so that's the rice one, and then 2 cups of the corn Chex Mix, and then you can add or subtract pretzels based on what you love. I don't love pretzels as much. This looks like a lot, but it's actually only about a cup and a half of pretzels. But Snyder's makes a great gluten-free pretzel if you're gluten-free. Check it out. And then we've got about 1 cup or 1.5 cups of walnuts. I'm a big fan of walnuts. If you don't know, they are great for your heart, great for your blood, and I've seen acupuncturists and they work really well. She tells me to eat them, so I add them to pretty much everything that I can. Salted and roasted cashews, just to add a little bit of some salt in there. That is about 1.5 cups of that. 1 cup of peanuts, because I am less of a fan of peanuts than the other nuts. Sorry, peanuts. But roasted and salted as well to add a little bit of that salt. And then we've got 1 cup of raisins for a little bit of sweet. 1 cup of M&Ms for some color and sweet. That's all the ingredients. Get in there with your hands. Stir it on up. Come in a little bit closer so you can really see the goodness. Look at that. Mix it all up and you've got a ready-made trail mix. Enough for the family, enough to share. COVID, don't share with people that you haven't been quarantining with, but enough to share with people that you have been, or you don't use your hands to mix it up, and you can also pre-package it in little individual packs to pass out to people and share as well. So I hope that helps. We're gonna be back later with another kind of trail mix that you can make, and happy scouting, happy trail mixing.